Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to add the recovery email account. So let me go back here and then log in into the Gmail. After that click here settings. Now click here settings, then see all settings. Click here account and import. Then change password recovery options. Click here. Now scroll down. Here you can add the recovery phone number, recovery email. Scroll down. Now you can click on edit. Then here you can add your email address so that you want to use for recovery email. In the same way you can easily add the recovery phone number.